At our Corrugated box manufacturing facility, we have invested significantly in a wealth of modern machinery that will enhance our overall capability. We can offer high-speed case making for regular style boxes, or for bespoke designs we can offer both flatbed and rotary die cutting. We also have a range of finishing machinery and can offer straight line, crash lock glued boxes as well as 4-point glue trays. These are ideal for use within industries such as food and drink, electronics and light engineering, to name a few. Our manufacturing director Scott Alexander has over 35 years experience within the packaging industry and has managed industry leading corrugate sites at senior levels across the UK. All of our manufacturing operators have an average of 20 years experience in running sheet plant machinery, so you can trust us to produce quality packaging for your business to a consistently high standard. To find out more about our manufacturing capabilities, please contact us today.